We're on the way to MOA, and Paul is going to buy some tickets.
What up?
Yeah, hi. I'm hitching a ride with Paul. Parang kumbaga siya yung nagpa-pilot ngayon ng plane. And I'm just hitching a ride to go to MOA. We're meeting up with travel buddies Jay and Linus.
Yeah, kasi mahal pala ang Uber, no?
Yeah, ako inabot ako ng 400. Well, actually, if it's peak hours. Yun.
Kasi we don't have Uber sa Canada.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yun.
Kinda wanna try it, pero kung gano'n kamahal.
Load siya ng Ginebra mamaya, ng laban mamaya.
Tomorrow actually, bibili akong ticket ngayon.
Yeah.
Ginebra, ay...
So ako, ikot muna ako doon kasi ako hindi pa nag-lunch. Buti pa si Paul nag-lunch na.
Nag-brunch ako.
Yeah.
So, bili na lang ako ng merienda on the way back.
Anyhow, yun. So, just continue to watch Pinoy Travel.
And airline travel and airport.
Oh, di ba? May vlog pa eh. Ayun na, tumatawag na si Amo. Sige, anyhow. Thank you. Bye-bye.